Select the appropriate center positioning pin and mount it onto the guide wrench. Then connect it to the implant platform. Select the suitable reverse drill and operate for about 1 minute. If no movement occurs, discontinue this method. Select the appropriate reverse drill. To prepare a cavity of suitable depth on the fractured screw, irrigate and cool continuously with physiological saline during drilling. The fractured screw may become loose during drilling. Remove the torque wrench and center positioning pin. Then use a reverse carrier to rotate and extract the screw. Select the appropriate thread repair tab according to the implant, and thread the tab into the implant. Irrigate copiously with water during the procedure to ensure the internal implant is clean and free of debris. Select a reverse extractor of the appropriate size according to the hexagon socket specification of the screw. Hold the reverse extractor and insert it into the stripped hexagon socket. Rotate the extractor counterclockwise to ensure firm engagement and sufficient retention. Then apply force using a torque wrench. Select the appropriate torque. Pressing vertically downward on the ratchet during torque application to prevent slippage and axial displacement that may damage the implant threads. Rotate to back out and remove the central screw.